Good day, children. Today we'll learn about 6th class first chapter, that is our Earth in the solar system. What it is? Our Earth in the solar system. In this chapter, we are going to get 4 learning outcomes. The first
Understanding
one is
the celestial bodies. What it is, children? Understanding the celestial bodies.
in summer nights, generally we will prefer to sleep at our terrace. While we are sleeping in terrace, generally, what do we observe in the sky? Generally, we will observe the twinkling objects in the sky along with the bright object. What the bright object? The bright object is nothing but the moon. So, let us examine all these.
Celestial bodies.
Do you wonder why we cannot see the bright objects during the daytime? The bright objects like moon and twinkling objects during the daytime. It is because the sunlight, the very bright sunlight, doesn't allow us to see the bright objects. The very bright light of the sun does not allow us to see the bright objects during the daytimes. Children, the sun and the bright objects like moon and twinkling stars and the what we live, the earth, these are all nothing but we are called as a
Celestial bodies. What is
the
celestial bodies?
The sun and the moon and the twinkling stars and the earth, like planets, all together we will call as
Celestial bodies. Some of celestial bodies are big and hot.
he is made up of gases. They have their own heat and light which emits constantly in large amounts.
Such a celestial bodies are called as stars.
The stars. One of the star is a sun. One of the star is a sun. This sun is a star, as you know. These are having the qualities like what I said before. While we observe in the sky, we see innumerable twinkling stars. These twinkling stars, they emit light and heat constantly as well. But we do not feel the light and heat, often to us. Why we do not feel light and heat from the twinkling objects? Because these twinkling objects are very far away from us. That's why, though these are all sun-like stars, we will not get light and heat from them because these are all very far away from us.
My dear children, some of celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit up by the light of the stars. These are planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, etc. The Earth on which we live is a planet. It gets all its heat and light from the sun, which is our nearest star. If you look at the Earth from the great distance, it will appear to be shining just as the moon. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. It is the companion of our Earth and moves around it. Like our Earth, there are 7 other planets that get heat and light from the sun. Some of them have their moons too. Children, let us know about constellations. Have you ever noticed various patterns formed by different groups of stars in the sky? These are called constellations. They were named after different animals, objects, and creatures depending on the shape they look. Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is Saptarishi. It is group of 7 stars. Children, let us know one thing. Do you know, in ancient times, people used to determine direction during the night with the help of stars? In the northern hemisphere, people determine the north direction with the help of the North Star. It indicates the north direction. It is also called the pole star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of Saptarishi, Ursa Major constellation.